Take the first bite. Oh, it looks like my camera battery is ready to die. I got another one on charge. So listen to this crunch, kings and queens. Listen. It's good. It's really good. Greetings, kings and queens, and welcome back to another amazing video. I guess you can tell by looking at the ingredients that we're going to be having some tacos. It's Taco Tuesday. I haven't had tacos in the longest time. I made tacos on my channel a couple years ago. That's when I was purging my refrigerator before I went shopping. So I said, let me make some tacos. I'm doing it a little different way this time. So let me go over all the ingredients as I always do so that we can get this going. Now, I don't have any hard taco shells, but I do have these soft corn tortillas. And I did a little research because I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this to make them into crispy taco shells. This is the plant-based sour cream that I'm going to be using. This is the plant-based Mexican style cheese shreds. And of course the plant-based Beyond mock meat. And these are the spices that I'm going to be using along with the cilantro to season the Beyond meat. So let me tell you what I have here. Up in the top, I have a tablespoon each of comino and garlic powder. To the half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 heaping teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of chili, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. These are the toppings that I chose to use. I chopped up some romaine lettuce, some red onions, some green onions, pickled jalapeno, avocado, tomatoes. I sliced up some limes because I want to squeeze some lime. And I have a variety and so much different kind of hot sauces and chili sauces. But these are the 4 that I picked from the cupboard. This is the variety that I have. So let's get on the stove. Let's start getting this together first, and then we'll prepare for that and see where this video is going to take us. Okay, so we're going to hit the pan with a little bit of olive oil. Let that heat up. Okay, so since the oil is heated up, let's add this. I'm going to add the spices and the cilantro. Cilantro, spices, I'm going to mix this all together. I'm going to put the lid on, come back and check it with you guys. Okay, kings and queens, this is ready, but I'm just going to put the lid on because we still got to do the tacos. Keep it nice and hot. I did buy the flour, the corn flour, to actually make the tacos. I have no idea where my press is. You know, I looked all over the house, can't find it anywhere. So this is what is going to be the second option. is to make these already made soft taco shells. I put them in the microwave for like 20 seconds. And I'll show you what I'm going to do. You're probably wondering. Okay, kings and queens, I don't even know if this is going to work. This is my first time doing this way. So if it doesn't work, then we're just going to have soft taco shells, because I do have those. So we'll be back and see how this worked out. So if you notice, I have it open a little bit, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. And the whole point of having this here is so that it keeps its shape. And the reason why it's like that is because I have used these tongs. So I'm doing 8 of these. Hopefully it works. I don't know how it's going to taste. Well, we'll find out. But thankfully it's keeping shape though. They look like taco shells, right? We'll be back. Well, so far so good. I just want to show you again, because I think I'm becoming a professional taco maker. Just take this one out. You don't want it to be too hard, because you want to be able to make it bend and keep its form. That's why I use my rolling pin to keep its shape until they're all complete. So it's like this you do. Then you keep it like that until the one side gets hard, and then you just turn it over like so. Okay, kings and queens, so it looks like they went well. Let me let you hear how crunchy they are. So let's build some. They're not perfect, but it's gonna have to do. We'll make it work. Okay, so let's start building some tacos. So I have one taco shell. Look how pretty. So let me put the meat first. You guys can see. A little bit on each one. Some lettuce. You build your tacos however you want. A little bit of dairy-free sour cream. Just in an awkward position right now. Some onions. Cheese. I get some tomatoes. Jalapeno. Green onion. Avocado. They started to turn brown. I guess I didn't put enough lime juice on them. Okay, we have that. No! show you what it looks like. Okay, so that's one. Let me make another one. This is a tablespoon. I'm just using 1 tablespoon. These are small anyway. So I'm just going to do a different order. I love onions. Some lettuce. Sour cream. Go on the other side. Avocado. Tomato. Jalapeno. And then we'll put the cheese on top this time. Did I put cheese on here? No. I didn't put cheese on that one. Get a little bit of cheese on that one. Okay. So, that's what they look like. Now let me choose the hot sauce. Let's try this one. Ready? Take the first bite. Oh, it looks like my camera battery is ready to die. I got another one on charge. So listen to this crunch, kings and queens, listen. It's good. It's really good. Let me change the battery, it's gonna die. We'll be right back. All right. Okay, so it broke, so I gotta take the last bites on a spoon. They're not that big or wide. I'm sorry, they're not that big or wide. Hey, Papa.
Yeah.
¿Tú quieres taco?
Huh?
¿Tú quieres taco?
Sí.
Okay. You want the one I made?
Yeah, just give me one of them.
You want me to make any kind for you?
No, just give me anyone.
Just give you any one?
Yeah.
There's no hot sauce on this.
Yeah, you got the meat and all that too?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, give me one of them.
Okay. That's for you.
Nice, man.
You're welcome, puppy.
Yeah, me eat all that, man.
All right, baby. There's more here. If you,
No.
okay.
No.
You want some?
Got pepper on it?
Yeah.
The grape, put some more grape pepper on it now.
Let me know when you want me to stop.
Yeah, that's good.
Is it?
I really don't want to.
Oh, baby, you're so funny. I knew you would take the Jamaican hot pepper. There's more. Okay. Okay. Make another one for us. Well, he can come out when he's ready. For his. Get my fingers. Oh, you know what? I forgot the lime. My goodness. I'm not going to use any. No sour cream. No cheese this time. Just going to drown this one in hot sauce and lime. Which one should I use? I use the Jamaican hot sauce. Okay. Okay, so some hot sauce. This is the one I'm using. Squeeze a little lime. Okay. Let's try. And bite. Take a bite. Listen. Is this considered a mukbang? Well, kings and queens, thank you for watching and hanging out with me through this whole thing. Let me finish chewing. I'm gonna leave some for my younger son, because he'll be up. And maybe my husband wants some more. With that being said, peace and blessings, beautiful people. See you next time. Oh, wait. The garage door is open and my baby's home. Bye, everybody.